Okay, good morning everyone. ఇవాళ today we are learning about very known characters. Okay, everyone know about Tenali Ramakrishna and Sri Krishna Devaraya. Okay, about now today we are learning about Ramakrishna and he is clever. Okay, and the lesson name was also a clever Tenali Ramakrishna. Okay, in this lesson there are very few characters you should have to remain in your brain, and one is Chitravarma. 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 In this name also you will get one thing, that what is meant by Chitravarma. Who is he? Chitra means drawing a pictures. Okay, he is a painter. Okay, Sri Krishna Devaraya, and you know, and everyone know, Sri Krishna Devaraya, and everyone know he is a king, and our clever Ramakrishna okay, he works under the king. Okay, and he is like a PA. Okay, now first Chitravarma was inviting Sri Krishna Devaraya, means king. Here we will did not spell like a king, and we will spell like a majesty. Okay, majesty is nothing but also a king. Chitravarma, welcome your majesty, Sri Krishna Devaraya was speaking. Oh, what a beautiful picture, it looks so natural. Sri Krishna Devaraya was telling to Chitravarma, and the painting was very beautiful. The courtiers means, who are courtiers means their slaves who are working under the king. Okay, one courtier was telling, yes, your majesty, really it was very wonderful. Sri Krishna Devaraya, no painter on earth can complete with you. Chitravarma, you are a unique painter, you shall be rewarded. What do you say, Ramakrishna? Sri Krishna Devaraya was telling to Chitravarma, your painting was very superb painting, and no one can beat you, and you are a very unique painter. Okay, I want to give you somewhat of reward to you. And then he was asking his PA Ramakrishna. Okay, Ramakrishna was telling, yes my lord, such an artist he deserves your encouragement. Ramakrishna was saying that Chitravarma want to get some encouragement from you. Sri Krishna Devaraya, that's great, let him ask for anything, he should get whatever he wants. Chitravarma, thank you very much, your majesty, it's all your affection and encouragement. Sri Krishna Devaraya, your presence in the council of advisors will be a boon to the Vijayanagara Empire. Chitravarma, I am afraid I am not your majesty. Your blessings are worth the strength of 1,000 elephants. Sri Krishna Devaraya, no, a great painter like you should be rewarded in a fitting manner. Chitravarma, your highness is merciful. Sri Krishna Devaraya, thinking for a while, he snapped his fingers. You will be a chief advisor from today onwards. Sri Krishna Devaraya think very much, and he said, he should be an advisor. For Sri Krishna Devaraya, a new advisor is a Chitravarma. But in the past and up to now, Ramakrishna was a clever advisor to Sri Krishna Devaraya. For every problem, Ramakrishna has some solution. But Sri Krishna Devaraya has promised to Chitravarma, and I want to reward you. So Sri Krishna Devaraya has rewarded Chitravarma as an advisor. Okay, Chitravarma, what? I cannot understand. How I am blessed, your majesty? Chitravarma was very confused. How I will be advising to a king? Sri Krishna, Ramakrishna, excuse me, Your Majesty, he is talented in painting, but would it be a right decision to make him? Ramakrishna, as an advisor, he told to Your Majesty that Chitravarma is just a painter, not an advisor. So he can tell about what is the mean by painting and what are the skills in the painting, but he can't adjust and he can't advise anything to give a best solution to the kingdom. Minister, yes, Your Majesty, I will make an announcement in our empire that Chitravarma was a new advisor to Sri Krishna Devaraya. Okay, Ramakrishna, Your Majesty, you know that I have been blessed with a baby boy. I will be happy if you visit my house for my boy's name ceremony tomorrow. Okay, Ramakrishna has a baby boy. So Ramakrishna was inviting Sri Krishna Devaraya for his baby boy's naming ceremony. Sri Krishna Devaraya, oh wonderful, it's my pleasure, Ramakrishna. The emperor visited Ramakrishna's house then yesterday. Ramakrishna, with a bouquet of flowers in his hands. Everyone should have to learn what is a bouquet spelling. Okay, B-O-U-Q-U-E-T. Okay, T is also there in a bouquet spelling, but T is here silent. Bouquet. Okay, bouquet of flowers in his hands. Welcome, Your Majesty. We are grateful for your visit. Please bless my son. Sri Krishna Devaraya, Dirghayushman Bhava. This is a token of my love. And the emperor puts a gold chain around the baby's neck. Sri Krishna Devaraya gifts to Ramakrishna son was a gold chain. Ramakrishna, thank you very much, Your Majesty. You are requested to join us for a lunch. Ramakrishna was advised and requested to join for as a lunch to a king or a majesty. Sri Krishna Devaraya, after having tasted, oh water, give me water urgent. Chorus 1, oh God, water. Sri Krishna Devaraya, hey Ramakrishna, what's this horrible dishes? It's too spicy, too salty, too not cooked properly, it is undercooked. Ramakrishna, when offered a Sri Krishna Devaraya to lunch, and it was very hot and spicy and it's too salt and it is not properly cooked. Sri Krishna Devaraya, the king was very angry. Who cooked this? Is this the way to cook food? Oh, one of the courtier was deciding, do you want all of us to die? Do you think we all have to die after eating this food? Sri Krishna Devaraya, bring him at once or you will be punished. Ramakrishna, presenting a carpenter. This is the best carpenter in Vijayanagar. He is a brilliant worker. I gave him the task of cooking for today. Ramakrishna was asked to best carpenter to cook, because the King Majesty Sri Krishna Devaraya advisor is a new advisor is a Chitravarma. Is a painter can do an advising work, is a carpenter can do a cooking work. Okay, Ramakrishna has presented a brilliant worker. I gave him the task of cooking for Sri Krishna Devaraya. Are you crazy, Ramakrishna? He may be an excellent carpenter, but can he be a cook? King was asking, he will be a best carpenter, but he cannot cook nicely. Okay? As a singer, you are a singer, best singer, you can't dance. Okay? For everyone there will be a talent, and here there is a best carpenter, but he does not know how to cook. Ramakrishna, pardon me, means I am sorry, Your Majesty. If a painter can be a good chief advisor, why can a carpenter not to be a cook? Sri Krishna Devaraya, lost in thoughts, shaking his head slowly. Ramakrishna, you opened my eyes. You made me realize my mistake. Chitravarma, I was afraid to say, no, Your Majesty. I am very thankful to you if I am sent back to my previous job. Chitravarma was also sorry for the Majesty. I have taken your offer as an advisor, but I want to go back to my previous work as a painter. So Sri Krishna Devaraya as a king knows who is best in their work should do only their work, not be an another work. Okay? For example, rabbit can swim. When rabbit was trying to run, it cannot. Monkey can jump, but when the monkey went to the swimming pool, it cannot swim. Okay, like that, for every man or woman, it will get their personal best, because for everyone they will be a best. Okay, so here best carpenter should not be a best cook, and a best painter should not be an best advisor. Sri Krishna, the minister, make necessary arrangements to send him back. Ramakrishna, thank you very much, Your Majesty. All the people assembled there hailed Tenali Ramakrishna for his presence of mind. Okay. Snapped. Okay, we have already learned what is the meaning of snapped. Snapped means making sounds of the fingers like this. Okay. Advisor. Also know that Sri Krishna Devaraya advisor was Ramakrishna, because king will do some mistakes, because everyone will do some mistakes. Advisor should be take control of it. Announcement means a public notice. Introduce means you know everything, make known. When entering into a new class, please introduce yourself. Every teacher will ask, please introduce yourself. Always you will wake up one by one and I will tell, my name is so and so, like that. Okay. Realize means understand. Understand is nothing but, if a teacher tells you anything, you should have to realize it. It is a good or bad to you. Okay. If I said to you, don't wake up early, but it is a bad habit, but you should have to realize your own. But teacher said it is a wrong, but you should have to realize it and know. You should have to wake up in the early and you should have to realize it.